Good evening, crypto fam. Just going over the crypto market recap for February 18th. All right, so Bitcoin dominance had a big day. Ended up closing pretty strong on Bitcoin dominance. We're down to after hours now in the Wednesday trading a little bit, but yeah, we got the follow through on this falling wedge I was following. And we might be seeing if we're topping out right here, if we just end up back testing. But we are looking for a daily lower high than this level right here. And if we want to see a lower high happen so that we can give more credit to the altcoins. Otherwise, yeah, Bitcoin has, people trust Bitcoin, the stable coin, more than the altcoins. So Bitcoin itself, we're still continuing its daily downtrend. It did wick quite a bit from the low, and looks like we're getting an hourly trend change after, well, or from that. So that is a good sign. But nothing changes. Like, absolutely nothing changes. We need the 4-hour trend to change. So we're looking for a 4-hour lower high than right here. And once we bounce on the, like, if we break this resistance here, we're just looking for a daily lower high than right here. So we are literally just fading away from that. We're still in the mother bar and just fading the mother bar. So I'm not interested in crypto until something changes. Either show me extreme oversold or show me a new all-time high. But this is not worth me playing. I'm not interested in until something happens. Something has to happen here. Ethereum, still in its equilibrium here, looking for its daily high or low still. We're having a problem with this 12 moving average. That's not what you want to see guiding us down. So we should see a higher low than right here. But ultimately, this is the level to hold here. And we could still stay choppy here. And as these other moving averages come down. So it doesn't look good. Like, as far as crypto as a whole, it doesn't look like it's turning around to me. So nothing's changing until something changes here. Maybe we need one more good flush to flush the last of the weak hands and go. But it just doesn't interest me as far as swing trading at this time, because there's small ranges. It's not the best. Anyways, XRP, we just got above the mother bar, and now we're still looking for that daily high or low. We're right at the 50 moving average right now. Ideally we hold here, but this is the level we need to hold here, 233.78 for the daily high or low, because we are in technically a daily uptrend at this point, but we're just still looking for a weekly lower high. Yeah, we just barely bounced on the weekly and then we're down, but yeah, we're just looking for a weekly lower high than the all-time high, or this high. I'm not sure if it's the all-time high. Just it's different on different platforms. But yeah, that's where we're at. We need to find a higher low than this level and go for a higher high. Now we've created enough room that we would expect a lower high and more of an equilibrium to play out. Okay. Litecoin, one of the stronger names. Looks like we're trying to continue this daily uptrend here. We've got, yeah, this is the level to hold now. And yeah, we would be expecting a lower high than this 137.47. But yeah, we've made enough room that we would expect a higher low. So we could get choppy here, but we're still hanging out at the highs, which is good. So Litecoin is a good name. XRP is not as good, but it's still okay. Hype is another name that I'm watching. Looks like it had a bad day or a big flush today, closed above the 50. We want to hold this low now. So we've got this daily uptrend. It just came and wicked off this supply zone or demand zone, sorry, and closed above. So now we don't want to lose this. We have five touches on this area now to keep our daily uptrend. We need to hold this and start heading back up. We're bouncing now on the 4 hour. We need to make enough room that we make a 4 hour higher low and continue our trend. BNB, one of the stronger names still, but we've confirmed a daily downtrend now. We're at the 12 moving average, have the 200 right underneath us too. We lost our 0.382 of this whole move, so now we're favoring, as we lose more, we're still looking for a higher low at this point. But as we lose more retracement, we favor a lower high and less continuation and more of a equilibrium. Okay, so that's BNB. Solana, not the best. We've lost multiple lows now. We have this, as I said, we had this head and shoulders pattern to be cautious of, and we've wicked below. We closed just at the level. Now, we need this to hold right now, essentially. Looks like we're trying to shape up inverse head and shoulders. We have enough room for an hourly higher low. We've set that actually. So here's our neckline. We need to change this trend, hourly trend, so we can start towards a daily bounce. But there's a lot of room. Once this bounces on the daily, we're still just looking for a daily lower high than 205.33. So this is not ideal for, and there's lots of room for resistance. So Solana does not look good in the medium term, short to medium term here. Ondo fading as well. Just looking for a daily higher low. We've got the 200 right here, and then whenever this finally decides to bounce, we are just looking for a lower high than 143.56. Not what you want to see. Link. So we broke this equilibrium with no follow through at this time, but also not what we want. We're bouncing on the 4 hour. We're just looking for a 4 hour lower high than 1950. And we could find, actually, there's a little pivot here too, so might be there, but yeah, not ideal. Crypto is just not my favorite right now. When there's names at all-time highs, I'm gonna play those names. I will play the strongest sector at all times. There's just no questioning that for me. Okay. So for Sui, we've still got this daily equilibrium in play. Looks like we're trying to hold it. We need this to hold now, and we need to change our hourly trend, get back and make as much room as possible so we can make a higher low. Mochi. Okay, so we had this inverse head and shoulders I've been watching. Looks like it failed it and is coming down. Let's see how much we've retraced now. Okay, we're still at the 0.5. Still at the 0.5. So there's potential this could turn around, but we need it to turn around now. We need to change the hourly trend right now. And odds would still favor a lower high, but it will increase our likelihood that we would see continuation at this point. So we're still looking for a daily higher low at this point. That hasn't been found yet. We need to confirm hourly trend changes and start changing the smaller time frames. So Alpha, I was watching this rising wedge and it broke bear. We're seeing follow through now. Now we're just looking for a higher low than right here. It's the most likely scenario, and we would just be looking for a lower high. Now we've retraced way too much, so that's not ideal. Alpha, Kaspa, still looking for its daily higher low now, and daily higher low than 0.0908, and we need to make a higher high or higher low as soon as possible and not retrace so much. Where are we at from this? So we're at the point, the golden pocket. So at the golden pocket, so not ideal. and we should expect to chop around here. Most likely scenario if we hold the golden pocket. AVAX breaking down, not good. Ton, yeah, same thing. Well, like you'll see a lot of these names, the 12 moving average is just guiding them down. AVAX, same thing. Ton, yep. And Trump still looking for its daily higher low. We're just fading this short cover, and we're still looking for that. Need to change the hourly. Looks like we're trying to put in an inverse head and shoulders, but I mean, it's tried to do that a bunch of times and just failed. So yeah, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow morning for the pre-market. But yeah, crypto's not looking that hot. There's a couple names that I said standing out, but overall, these bounces are getting faded, and we need more to start turning around. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Bye.